Hey everybody! Welcome to this A2 English listening practice video. You can use this video to practice your listening and comprehension as I speak. Today, we are going to talk about artificial intelligence, or AI. AI is like a smart helper in computers and machines. It can think and learn, like humans, but it's not a person. AI is used in many things we use every day. Here are some easy points to understand AI. AI is like a brain for machines. AI lets computers and machines make decisions and solve problems, just like how we think and decide. AI learns from information. Just like we learn from reading or watching, AI learns by looking at a lot of data, like pictures or words. AI helps us in daily life. AI is in our phones, helping us find places or information. It is also in games, making them fun and challenging. AI is everywhere. You can find AI in robots, cars that drive themselves, and even in the things we use in our house, like the washing machine or microwave. How does AI work? AI learns from a lot of information. It uses special rules, known as algorithms, to do different tasks. There are two main types of learning in AI. First, machine learning. Here, the AI looks at a lot of data, like pictures or numbers, and learns to see patterns. For example, it can learn to tell if a photo has a cat or a dog. Second, deep learning. This is a more complex form of machine learning. It uses something called neural networks, which work a bit like our brain. Deep learning lets AI understand things, like human speech, or recognize someone's face in a picture. Different kinds of AI. AI comes in two main types. First, narrow AI. This kind of AI is made for one specific job. For example, a game on your phone that plays chess is using narrow AI. It's very good at that one game, but can't do other things. Second kind is general AI. This AI is more advanced. It's not just good at one thing, but can learn and do many different tasks, much like a human. Where do we use AI? AI is used in many places. AI helps our phones and computers understand what we say. It can answer questions, play music, or find information for us. When we shop online, AI suggests things we might like to buy. It remembers what we looked at before and shows similar items. On TV and movie websites, AI helps pick shows for us. It knows what we liked before and finds new shows like those. Some new cars use AI to be safe. They can see the road and help the driver. Some cars even drive by themselves. In hospitals, AI helps doctors. It looks at health information to find out what makes us sick and how to make us better. You can also find AI in video games, mobile applications, and smart home devices. AI is great because it can work fast and doesn't need to rest. It can do things that are hard or boring for people. But there are also challenges. We need to make sure AI is used in a good and fair way. AI is very exciting and keeps getting better. It's not just about robots, it's about making machines that can think and learn. AI is becoming a big part of our lives, and will be even more important in the future. All right, that's all for today. Leave a comment and tell me what story would you like to hear next time. See you soon!